Hi guys! Oh, ayan, magsalita na kayo. Another day, another vlog. We are going to Sentosa today. Actually, we are at Vivo Station now. And we are going to ride the monorail and go to the Resorts World Station. Okie dokie, let's go! Yan na po, let's go! Okay, so we have officially entered somewhere out there. Ayan. Feels like home. Okay, the monorail is here. Let's go, guys.
May bawal tayo natin doon.
Yes. Okay, that way. This side. Let's go. What is it? Ay. So, alin? Now. Yan na. We're getting off here. Okay, let's go. Okay. So, we are now at the globe. You know that thing that thing that rotates the globe. I can see it from here now. Tan 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 tan. There it is. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, dokie. So, papasok na po kami ng USS. Tapos na kami mag-picture kay Globe. Ano masasabi mo, madam?
Feels so new.
Ano masasabi mo?
I wanna go home.
Hindi pa nga tayo nakakapasok. Ayan na, papasok na po kami. Later, alligator.
Show
Okay,
them.
bye! Alrighty, so we are officially in. Oh my God, my first time. Dito na po kami. Wait lang. I will take video na. Where is my...
So excited.
I'm so
You guys go crazy.
Yeah, I'm excited.
You know, there's Starbucks here. My first time to see Starbucks. Look, there's popcorn. Ay, sorry.
There's popcorn. Okay, we're here.
When you go to Universal Studios, don't go here.
Yeah, because
It's too expensive.
it's budol. It's budol. Okay, let's go. Minion.
So we're now here inside the Universal Studios in Singapore. And pinagtatawanan ako ni Junie. Nagbablog naman ako. And look, she's taking some aesthetic photo. Go na. And the... Bakit ayaw malipat?
Para CCTV ba?
Hi, can you ring the capybara? So good. Where?
Iyan.
Picture mo kami?
Yeah.
Love, picture daw, picture.
Kahit dito lang.
Dito? Love, kasama ka. Ito naman kasi. O, para makita nyo yung view na mag-picture sa amin. Love, come here. Eh, dito daw muna. Ang dami naman, alam nyo, ang daming gandang-ganda sa akin, daming gusto mag-picture.
Sige, mag-picture muna. Wait ka muna dyan, ha? Bye. Okay, so our first ride is the lights, camera, action. We don't know.
Kasi nagre-reklamo mo na siya.
We don't know what's in here, but
Ang ganda nung parang
he's complaining.
We will just go here and find out.
What's here? Yeah. Oh, yes. I will include you.
Ang ganda ko dyan.
Oh my God. Oh, ganon. Oh my God.
Okay.
Okay.
talaga ng lipstick ko ngayon.
She likes her lipstick.
Me too.
Lip stain pala. Yeah,
This is,
Best Buy.
ano tawag dito? Sephora brand.
Oo. It's not eatable. I don't know how to say that.
Edible.
Edible. Because Karen doesn't seem to eat the lipstick.
Portable.
Yun na lahat may bulbul. You know, in Ilocano, we call poop-table. Ayan.
I'm trying to look at kung ano
The best
Best.
rides in the Universal Studios. Okay, we'll see you later, alligator. Bye. Ayan, nakalabas na po kami. Oh gosh, so cute. Hello. Paano?
Subscribe. Like, comment down below.
Down below. Yo. All right. Andito na po kami sa Transformers. And we are going in and out and in. I think the entrance is here. Let's go in. Ready ka na ba?
Naihinga ako. Ay, naihinga ako.
Ang haba na naman nung ano.
Kasi puro reklamo po yung makikita yung video ni Eunice. Ayan na, may hagdan pa.
This is our time.
So we just came from Transformers, and how was the experience?
So tired from
Kita nyo naman sa
and laughing.
Now I don't feel my stomach cramp. I feel my voice.
My
throat is
Aching.
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 Pero it's
worth it.
yeah.
It's worth it.
So this is our next ride. Are you ready?
Ready. Ay, paano ba? Ready.
Paano?
Ready.
Ready, ganun pa rin ready. Tinatawa na ka ni Chok. Okay. We are ready. Let's go.
Rock and roll.
Guys, we are here. We're officially inside the... Ang tawag dito?
Cubicle. Naka.
Cubicle. Cubicle, according to Chok. Wala.
Hi guys, welcome to our rolling coaster.
Rolling coaster. Rolling.
Rolling coaster.
Rolling.
Roll nga naman kasi.
Rolling in the deep.
Rolling in
Rolling
the
in the
deep.
deep.
Kasi nga we are in the deep. Literally.
Sabi ko
Ayan.
katatapos lang isang ride pagpupusot
The
ako
guy
lagi.
is double checking, but it hasn't start, but
Alam mo kasi di ko maintindihan, ba't natin pinipilit mag-English?
Oo, Tagalog.
National language is
Tagalog.
Filipino.
Ay, sorry, Filipino pala. Wrong, I failed my Filipino. Wrong pala. Okay, so I'll be back. We will be back, okay? Bye.
Vertical axis rotations engaged.
Oh, so ganito lang talaga siya.
Pero bibilis.
At 25%.
Hindi ko na kung saan ako titingin, parang di ako mahilo.
Tumigil na lang kayo.
Saan ako mahilo?
Tingin ka na lang.
Papakawalang kwenta pa nga. Yung ride na to is isang napakawalang kwenta. Sino man po nakapag-isip nito ay...
Nakakahilo.
Ay, nakakahilo. If you come here, and if you... Ay, nakakatuwa dito! Yan, nagagalit na. Kung hindi po kayo mahinuin po kayo, hindi kayo pwede dito. This is not good for all people like us.
Parang po ako pipino na bine-blender dito.
You're like inside the...
Ito yung feeling pala na binibender.
You're like in the blender na. Tama na, babay na. Okay guys, Ito na. Wait lang. The mommy. The mommy.
Yan.
Daw po. Stop over for the photo. Ayan. Stop over. Ang init. I'm with Will. Kasi ayaw sumama ni Nabil. He's sleeping. So hot. Look at this. There's someone. Who is that? Alright. We are now inside the mommy.
Ba't pa yung salamin ko?
Tanggalin mo, babe. Ayan, nandito na po kami sa the mommy. Babe, na-excite ka na ba?
I'm scared.
I'm scared daw. Na-excite ka na ba yun, Iis?
Sabi, I'm scared.
Yung tipong... so cringe. Wag. Ayan. Sana all.
Na all HHWW.
Holding hands.
Hindi na naman pala Gian. Gago.
Tapos na po kami sa the mommy. How are you?
Tingnan mo na may hair ko. Kana naman ako.
How are you?
Mapapailing na lang.
How are you, Eunice? How's the feeling after the mommy? Yeah, we all feel dizzy and my voice hurt. My throat hurts even more. Shit.
I left my shoulder.
Oh, no. Oo, parang hindi. Putangina. May prenup pala. Babe. Okay, guys. Ayan, kasama na po namin sila.
Okay, good. Uy, Joy, tingnan mo ha.
God, I can feel the aircon.
Oh my God, hi!
Hi, welcome to another vlog. Ay, hindi na pala. Ito tuloy pa lang.
Another na?
Hindi, tuloy-tuloy pala to. So, we are already with Charlene and Joyce. Hi, Joyce. Hi, guys. So, we are feeling the cold na. Ano daw? Let's go! Tignan niyo naman po yung itsura ko. Kamusta ka naman?
Naghanap ako ng schedule sa phone.
Ah, ayan pala. So, nandito na po kami ngayon sa Far Far Away.
Far away na. So hot.
Oo, it's so hot. Hi, Eunice!
Sony! Minions
Ano
of...
po si Shrek? Nakikita niyo ba? Nandun si Shrek.
Ha?
May photo. Yung, let's go to the Munyon Land. Hi! Hi! So, our next destination is the Funland. Ito siya.
Mag-selfie tayo yung yung tumatalikod. Yung paa, yung ginagawa namin sa
And then that side. And then that side. Okay, we're going to the Despicable Me. Gano. Gusto ko lang aircon. Dito na po kami sa Chows. Hi, Shirley. Hi, Joyce. Hi, Eunice. Pagod na po sila. Pagod na ang mga person. In fairness, bakit ganun ang ganda ng lighting? Nagpipinkish yung mukha natin. Ano may lighting? Tara, picture tayo gamit to. Okay, so we are done for the day. We are done for the day. Say bye-bye na. Pagod na ang mga person. Bye.
We're done. Sasakay pa tayo dito.
Oo, hindi. Sa vlog lang magbabay ka kunwari na. Para,
Bye, vlog!
Bye, vlog!
Bye.
Bye!
Magbabay na tayo. Bye. Ganon.